What's going on, guys? TK Pryor coming at you. Master Wealth Builders is the company, and really been trying to figure out strategies to get people interested in increasing their lifestyle, increasing their long-term performance. Right? All of us have to get to the point where we make our income work for us. You have to make your money get a job. So the concept that I'm focusing on is looking for people interested in employing their money. If you can make money while you sleep, if you can somehow generate a passive income that is equal to or surpasses your active income, meaning you make money at work, you make whatever you make at work. What if you made the same amount in a passive income? That is the strategy. Once you get to the point where you can afford to save $1,000 a month, what do you put it in? Where do you invest your money so that it brings you the highest return and your money is bringing you, a good working capital? So those are the questions you should be answering. Those are the things that you should be thinking about. A lot of us do get to the point where we're making decent money. But where do you put your money so that it is now working for you? You can't just trade time for labor and expect to get successful. You have to move beyond just going to work, getting a paycheck, paying your bills. That's the slave system that doesn't get you an advance in this world. Realistically, you think about, what can I do to make my money work for me? What can I do to advance myself and my family, right? You want to put money, $1,000 a month, into something. And one of the areas that I'm licensed to help people in is cash value life insurance. Now, a lot of people don't think about life insurance. They really don't care about that because they feel like they're going to live forever. But the fact is, one day you're going to leave this planet. So life insurance can help you for your next generation and for yourself in terms of retirement. So life insurance as a retirement vehicle is what I'm trying to get certain people out here to think about. If you can make it to $1,000 a month and you put it into life insurance as a retirement vehicle, every policy within cash value comes with a savings account. So when we talk about cash value life insurance, we're talking about a savings account that comes with your policy that allows you to save, right? You are familiar and you're very comfortable with saving at a bank. But the problem is, a bank is not going to pay you 6 to 8% return on your investment every year. So to get you to think about an alternative to saving in a bank, what I'm suggesting to you is that you save in cash value life insurance policy, because it comes with a savings account that allows you to act as your own bank and allows you to put money aside. So you save whenever you choose to start. I just did some statistical analysis, and the average retirement age within the U.S. is what people know to be 65. But full Social Security is at 67. Most people only know and only have been taught to use 401k in terms of a retirement vehicle. There's not a lot of people out here that think about cash value life insurance as a retirement vehicle that pays you every year, depending upon how much you save. So what I'm trying to do is give you an alternative, 401k versus cash value life insurance as a retirement vehicle. So long-term strategy, when you reach 67, if you use a 401k, you save to a certain amount. The average amount is $250,000, but statistics says that you need to save to over $1 million. So can you save to $1 million by using your 401k at work. If you do, when you take the money out at 67, you still have to deal with 40% tax rate. So as an alternative and a better tax strategy, I suggest cash value life insurance, because if you save to $1 million, that payout is tax free. That's number one, the difference between 401k and a cash value life insurance policy, tax advantage in a long-term strategy. The other thing is, if the average amount saved in a 401k at work is only $250,000, but you need to get to over $1 million, then at a 6 to 8% conservative return, cash value life insurance is a better alternative over a 401k because of the amount you're getting every single year. In 2022, people were receiving somewhere around 20 something percent within cash value life insurance. So there are years that it can go way above the 6 to 8%, but conservatively, based on historic performance, 6 to 8% is what you can see in a cash value life insurance policy. So I'm just trying to get you to think about a better alternative to a 401k and helping you to get to $1 million by the time you turn 67, so that your retirement is fully funded and more capable of paying you. So one of the riders you attach to your life insurance policy is called Income for Life. And that rider says, if you save to $1 million, the amount that you get paid every year will pay you regardless of how much is in your account. So if you look at a 401k, if you do save to $1 million, you pay taxes once you take it out, and then eventually you run out of money. Same thing applies to your pension if you have one at work. Eventually, the money runs out. So you could outlive your retirement savings, whatever you save to. So the alternative, and the reason why I suggest cash value life insurance, is because of the fact that you can never outlive your money, and that you get a higher rate of return at 6 to 8%. And you have a tax advantage because once you take the money out, you're not taxed as you would be in your 401k. So you're talking about a tax advantage, a higher rate of return, and the ability to gain that $1 million mark faster because of the $1,000 a month that you're saving and the additional MEC limit associated with every policy. There is a IRS limit that's above the amount you pay every month that you can contribute so that you get there faster. So we're talking about making it to a secure retirement, somehow putting your money in an investment that pays you more. And I suggest to you that you use cash value life insurance as your retirement vehicle and your long-term savings. Another benefit that doesn't apply to a 401k is that whatever amount you save to $1 million in a 401k, you save to $1 million in a cash value life insurance policy. But can you take a loan out anytime before 67 with your IRA or your 401k? No, you can't. You can do it with a cash value life insurance policy. Whatever amount you save to, instead of withdrawing from your account, you can just take a loan and then pay yourself back. It's a better strategy, and I'm just trying to help anyone who hasn't thought about it to actually put action towards it. Cash value life insurance, retirement vehicle, all of the benefits I just listed. Use the link in my bio. If you're interested in working with me, let's get started.